Hi, I'm Matt Hadley with Bruce Thornton Air Conditioning and Plumbing, and I'm excited to tell you about our Helping Heroes campaign. Simply put, we are offering a free standard tune-up for the home air conditioner of any Lubbock area healthcare workers and first responders who need it. Also, we're offering a $50 discount on tune-ups for all other homeowners in the Lubbock area. As this pandemic unfolded, we saw what was happening and we asked ourselves, how can we help? And that's what this is really about. We said, we can do more. We do air conditioning, we do plumbing, we do heating. How can we use that? How can we use our resources and our expertise to help in some way? And the Helping Heroes campaign is what we came up with. We can do free AC tune-ups for our local heroes. They're fighting the good fight for us. Let's give something back to them. Let's give them a free tune-up and make sure their air conditioners are working properly, and help everybody else along the way by offering discounts on their tune-ups. And this pandemic is hard enough without suffering through the upcoming summer heat with a broken air conditioner. That would definitely be not cool. We are proud to stand with Lubbock's heroes. We're proud to be able to do this, and we're thankful to be able to give back in some small way to the Lubbock community that has given so much to us. God bless us all as we stand together in this fight.